Okay friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video. In this video I am going to tell you about how to draw different circle with different method and arc as well. Okay, first we will open AutoCAD and go to the AutoCAD screen. Now the required command which we are going to learn is circle and arc. Okay, so we have already set our unit and dimension. We are not going to discuss about it. Type C here once again. After typing circle or C enter, we have several options in front of us. There is 3P method, 2P method and TTR method. The first method is using center. We are just clicking for center, C enter. We will choose radius. We are choosing radius 10 millimeter. Enter. Now we will find out the radius if it is okay or not. Click on radius option, dim radius option. Radius is 10 unit. It's not specific, it's not showing clearly, so we will change the text size, modify text, and we will take 0.5 instead of 1.18. we'll choose 0.5. it will be much more clear now. Okay, much more visible. Okay, once again C enter. We will specify center. Now we are taking diameter. For diameter we will press D enter, and diameter will be twice the radius, that means 20 enter. This way we can draw a circle using diameter. For diameter we will take dim diameter and click on outside, and it will show the diameter. Okay, this was the circle drawn with the method of picking center. Now I am going to draw using 2P method. For 2P method we need to have 2 points drawn on the screen. Take 2 perpendicular line, press C enter, choose 2P from the command line, 2P enter, pick first point and pick second point. Okay, the circle has been drawn between first point and second point. Okay, you can draw it freehand without giving any reference line, and you can draw it picking 2 points this way. C enter, 2P enter, click on first point, C enter, 2P enter, click on first point and click on second point. Okay, so this was the method of 2-point drawing. Now 3 point. For 3 point you need to have 3 point on the screen. For that purpose take a triangle, it will be much more convenient. Here number of side 3, specify center and take radius 10. Now in this triangle I am going to draw a circle using 3 point. C enter, 3 point, 3P enter. It's not showing, the midpoint is not showing, that's why we will take drafting setting option, DS enter, and in object snap option click select all. Okay, this way we can find out end point, head point, center, node, quadrant, intersection. Each and every point will be visible. Okay. Now we are taking circle, 3p option. Now it's clear, the midpoint is showing. Click on midpoint. Okay. This way we have draw a circle using 3 point in a triangle. We can also draw circle using 3 point without any reference triangle. See enter, 3p enter, click on first point, click on second point and click on third point. Okay, this way we can draw a circle as well. Okay, so you have got to know that there are several methods of drawing a circle. Next one is TTR, pick a baseline, draw a circle using 2p, see enter, 2p enter and provide the radius. Now it is drawn. Then after use see enter, 10 radius, TTR enter, pick first tangent then second tangent, press enter and the drawn circle will be similar to the previous one, the radius will be similar. See enter, TTR enter, pick first reference then second. This way we can draw a circle. See enter, all are similar, their radius are similar. Okay. Now you got it. This was all about circle and their drawing method. Now coming to the arc, draw a line of any size, draw a perpendicular line from the center point. Okay, now use arc command. Arc. Okay, A enter, specify first point, specify second point, then specify end point. Now delete the reference line. This way we have drawn a arc. Okay, this was all about arc and circle. We will discuss more about arc and their several method of drawing in our next video. Till then, have a nice time. Like my video and subscribe it. Thank you very much.